Yo, what's up people, and I'm back again with another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create yourself a landing page using the website or the service called Mailerlite. Okay, now creating a landing page is the first step to collecting pretty much subscribers to your website or to your YouTube videos or to anything that you want to collect your or emails for. If you're a person that's making a brand and you want to collect a mail list, to send over promotional codes, send over, newsletters every month. This is how to create your first landing page. Now there will be parts for the, for these kind of videos. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a landing page, how to create an automation page where when someone subscribes or does something within a certain amount of time or instantly, they'll be sent an automation email to their, their inbox, telling them thank you for subscribing, or thank you for doing all this stuff. But before all of that, we have to create a landing page to be able to get to the automation part. So you know what, let's cut all the talking short and let me get straight to it and show you guys how to create one. Okay, so of course the first thing you need to do is open up your browser, whether it's Google, Internet Explorer, or whatever, and then type in your search box Mailerlite, like so. Okay, and then go to, of course, the first link that it shows up here. Make sure it's not an ad link, because ad links do tend to be a little bit weird. So just go to the link that says it's not an ad right here, and then you go to sign up by pressing sign up. Put in your company, your organization name. It could be anything. You can put in your name. And then you can just create your own account. And then of course you have your 30-day trial, which includes all the stuff where you can have access to premium features for 30 days, access to main features for 30 days, up to 1,000 subscribers, send up to 12,000 emails per month, have 24/7 customer support via email, and then you can upgrade to the actual subscription anytime. Okay, so once you've created your email, whatever, your account, press create my account. Now let me actually get to my account. You're able to log in just by going up here, pressing login, and then if you've previously logged into your account, you'll be moved straight onto there. Now this account is not mine, it's my dad's. However, I will be creating my own account in the future for you guys, so that I'm able to collect you guys' emails and send you guys newsletters on new upcoming videos. And I want to also in the future expand to where I have somewhat of a Patreon, or like a pretty much a Patreon essentially, but on YouTube, not on Patreon, the actual website. So yeah, but that's all in the upcoming future. So okay, you can see I'm on the free plan right now, so it is I'm able to be using the free plan without having to upgrade. So the first thing that you would want to do is, of course, this is the first, this is the home page, the main page, your dashboard, as it says right here. This is where you can see everything. Okay, where how many people have unsubscribed, how many people have joined in the past month, how many subscribers there are today, and how many active subscribers you have. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is come onto sites, press sites right here, and then of course I've got my own ones that I previously made for my dad for his own website also, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own. Okay, so once you're onto here, go and press create site up there. Okay, now this is the page that it's going to show you. Go ahead and press landing page, or if you want to create pretty much essentially your own website, you can create a website. But for today's video, I'm showing you guys how to create your own landing page. Press landing page and then name it as you like. For me, I'm gonna name it Preview 9. Okay, save and continue, and then you are also able to add previously subscribed people to this new one. But you know what, I want to make a new group, so I'm gonna call this Preview Tutorials. By the way, you are able to have 10 landing pages with the free plan, so that's still very good, because I don't imagine anyone will be having more than that. But if you do need that, of course you're gonna have to upgrade, which is fine. It's £10 a month, and if you're willing to invest that amount, you are on the right track. Okay, so once you've done that, go ahead and press create. Okay, and then go and tick the one that you want to add, create the landing page for. So go ahead and press continue here, and then you have all these templates, okay, all of these templates. However, you are also able to start from scratch by create new. So once it's pretty much loaded up, you have, this is like the default template that you have. Okay, so to delete all of this stuff, there are two ways. If the first way doesn't work for you, there is another way. Very easy way. Go up to actions right here, press remove content blocks, and in caps press type in remove. Okay, and then press remove, and then it removes. And if it doesn't remove, there are little trash boxes, that is bin boxes above every single block that you're able to to just press and delete on. Okay, so once you have this pretty much blank page, go up to here to start actually making your landing page. So you have all these blocks. You have text blocks, image carousel, image gallery. You have all of these stuff. You have a map, you have a newsletter archive, HTML code, one-time purchase. You have all of these stuff that you're able to use. But for today, we're going to keep it nice and simple for you guys. So say we want to tell someone, type in your email, type in your your name, and sign up. Okay, so what you want to do, for example, if you want to go to forms, drag and drop it onto here. So it's sign up form where you have your email. That's the first one. You can also have another one where you're able to drag and drop it pretty much. Just go back to say press save on here if it does this, and then drag and drop another one on top. Okay, and then it will make another one. Okay, you're also able to edit these by pressing on it, and then this will come up right here. You have the form and you have the settings for this pretty much button / template / block. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the content of it is as you like. Okay, you can include images, or you can include text. So you can pretty much say subscribe or whatever. You can write anything up there. But for today, we're gonna be making one that is gonna look nice, pretty much. Okay, so once you've made this, go and press form, and then press in what it is that you want it to be. Okay, this is pretty much a button action, or you can press it moves onto the success page, which we'll be moving on to soon, or you can make it into anything. Okay, so for example, we want to change this into subscribe to, I don't know, it can be anything. It can, this is for the button, by the way. It's not for the what's called this here. It's for the button. Okay, so you can have it to be anything as, let's just keep it as subscribe for now. The button action, it can move you onto a redirect. So if you press it, it can move you onto, for example, your YouTube channel. It can move you to any kind of website out there, as you can see right here. So you're able to pretty much put in your YouTube channel, any other platform that you own or you have or you want to share to. Okay, or you can just keep it to your success page, which is pretty much this page right here, which we will be coming onto soon. Okay, you can add a field right here where it could be your name, which is very, very handy. I think that's very, very handy for when you do this. So let's go ahead and just delete this and keep it as is. So yeah, so you have this right here where you have your email and your name, and the subscribe button right here. So let's just keep fiddling about with the part, the form bit. You want to ideally make the name above the email, because it's more ideal. And you also want to make this kind of stuff, this field is required, so a person has to put in their name for this to work. Okay, you can also change it from name to, I don't know, anything. You could put it on, literally anything, but of course for this one, just keep it as name, because I can't really think of anything else. Go ahead and press save changes whenever you save. So, but always be sure to press save, like so. I've got mine on here. You can also change the button subscribe to like download, if you have like a book to download for them, for example. You have form settings. All of this pretty much just keep it. You don't really need to touch it. You can add a privacy statement if you like. You don't really have to. Just keep it blank if you don't have anything to say on it. Okay, so that's you've pretty much made the buttons, or what you need to start, letting people sign up to your newsletter in a sense. Okay, so once you've done this, go into settings, see if you like it as is. So for example, right here where you're able to have the top spacing, is pretty much the space on top of this content block, You have the bottom spacing, which is pretty much the space but under it, which I'll show you guys later once you've added something under there. And then this is pretty much where you're able to you know, change the settings or for your thing, so what the colors are. So you're able to come here and change the color from something like this to like orange. That's for the button, of course. You can change it to purple. You can change the the font for it to whatever you like. Of course, you're gonna have to figure out which one's which. You could do so much with this kind of stuff, which is amazing. Okay, once you've done this, press save, and then you can go on to add an image. Okay, so to add an image, you know, drag it where you want. So pretty much do that, and then you can upload the image by literally just pressing on it, going up to here, press browse, and you know, you can upload your own image by going to upload image right here and picking your own image. Now for example, I want to use, I don't know, say this image right here, an image that I've previously used. So press insert. It's Arabic, just don't pay any attention. But yeah, so you see how the colors pretty much, you know, they color coordinate. That's what you ideally want it to be like. Okay, so you know, you can change the size of this, you know, very easily. You can also move it. You know, you can move it about by just holding this bit here and then moving it up there. You could just also press on it, just go on settings, and you can make it smaller, which is very easily. I don't know why it's not letting me do it right now. Okay, so I figured out how to actually make it smaller, and it's just go down here because this bit was blocking it. Go down here where you have like a little arrow, and then pretty much you can just make it smaller or bigger. And like I said, you could drag it to put it up to here, and you could do pretty much what you want. Now to actually, I know there's one thing that I also forgot to put in to make this look a bit better. Let's just go ahead and save this for now. Let's add a text above here and say subscribe to my newsletter and YouTube channel. So this is just for now. Let's keep it for the sake of this video. Just keep it as subscribe to newsletter. Okay, and then you can also change the alignment for this by just highlighting the bit that you want to realign. Give realign to the center. You can enlarge the size up to 30 pixels. You can make it bold, italic, and pretty much line struck through, which is, you know, it just looks better. But you know what? Let's stick with the italic because it looks like a funnel page, which is very weird. So yeah, so this is pretty much the start of your your landing page / newsletter. Okay, go ahead and press save, and this is, so from now on when people press onto here, they type in their name or whatever and they press subscribe, they'll be moved onto the success page. Okay, now in the success page, what you actually do, you can go ahead and just press remove content blocks, but that will remove everything from the success page to the landing page. Okay, so just go down here and press delete, which is very easy. Okay, now you can put a drag and drop the ones that you want. Now text, for example, say thank you for subscribing to my newsletter. Okay, and then of course you could do the realignment to the center, and you can enlarge it by going up to here and pressing the 30 pixels size. Now you can also do it where you can drag and drop a button down here. You can move it up, you can move it pretty much anywhere, and this button can do anything. It can move, it can go to a link, it can create anything. So for example, if I wanna say go to my YouTube channel, so let's go ahead and go to my YouTube. Let's go to your YouTube channel, and then you can get the link of your YouTube channel. Say from here, press Ctrl C or to copy it, and then come down here and put it in like so. You can make it where you can open the link in a new tab. So if I was to press this button, it will go into a new tab, or you can make it where you can open it in this tab. Now for the sake of this, for the sake of user friendliness, press open link in new tab if you want to go back to it, and then you can go ahead and press here. It says check out my channel. Okay, that's a Chanel. Press check out my channel. Okay, and then you can do it where you can save it, and that is pretty much your first ever landing page. Okay, very easy. As you can see, there's so much, it's so simple to create one. Okay, and you go ahead and save and publish it, and then right up there where I showed you just now, and then this is where you pretty much start by you know, tweaking your URL parts, the parts where you can change the, you know, the little picture right up here. So what we want to do here is you want to subscribe. You know, you can create your own. You can pretty much custom domain is available. You know, it's not available in free plans. You have to upgrade your own plan to create your own custom domain. But for this, let's do preview to tutorials for now, and let's just go ahead and make this bigger like that. And then yeah, you could choose your own image for the little favicon right here. So as long as this image is right here, say you want to select this, that'll be the image for it. And you can optimize it by, you know, putting the page title, which is this up here. Say you want to make it preview to, why can I not spell today, tutorials, and then you can put page keywords, just preview tutorials. I said tutorials a lot today, haven't I? But yeah, tutorials, and then you can put like a description of the page, which is what they will see. So pretty much for us to type in, for example, Google. This is like the page description will be this part right here. We see right here, it will be this part right here. Okay, now if you want to do that your own, that's just fine. And then once you've done this pretty much, allow search engine to index this landing page, save and continue. And then you've pretty much published it. Okay, which is very, very nice. Now these are the parts where you're able to edit it. Now with the automation part, like I said, it'll be the next video. And then the double opt-in parts will be in the next video. Everything else will be in the next video for you guys to understand. Now if you want to unpublish it, pretty much take it down, come down here to press unpublish, and you can double, you know, you can turn off double opt-in, but I'll explain what double opt-in is. Okay, now for example, if I can show you guys something, you know, once you've published it, you can come down to here and you can copy the URL for it, and you can just try it out. So say for example you do Control V, okay, and you know you want to type in your name. So for example you say preview, and then the email, you want to make it anything you want pretty much. But you know what, just for today, let's use a temporary email. Temp mail, this one right here, very good. This is the one I use. Okay, let it generate your own mail. Of course I've showed you guys this thing before. So go ahead and copy it to your clipboard or whatever, and then add it into here. Press subscribe, and then you see where it moves you. Thank you for subscribing to my newsletter. Press onto here, and you see how it moves you to my channel pretty much, which is, I think, is very, very nice. And then you see how it's pretty much sent you a confirmation mail, you know, saying can confirm your email address, and then you can confirm your email address right here, and then move your tail. But I will show you guys how to change all of this stuff soon, I promise you guys. Okay, but look, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is a start to a sequel. I'm going to be showing you how to create your own automation page. I'm going to be showing you how to create like a forms page, a campaign page. There is so much stuff that I can show you guys where you're able to create your own website essentially. Like I said, so much stuff. Okay, now I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do come back more, because there will be multiple videos regarding the Mailerlite. I'm going to be showing you guys pretty much a whole tutorial about it soon. There will also be a playlist about it. I will create this playlist for the Mailerlite, you know, walkthrough / guide in the link down below, and then this video will also be put in that playlist as well. Okay, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. I'll see you guys soon. I've been Previo. Peace.